What's up guys, quick little update on the S2000. I haven't really done much since those previous videos. So what we end up doing, or what I ended up doing, was just cleaning bits of the interior a little bit. So instead of making like all the little videos and things like that from just cleaning the inside, I just went ahead and just cleaned it all. I think it was kind of useless to show you guys, how to clean the rest of the cars. So what we ended up doing was just cleaning up the plastic real nice with the detail brush and things like that. Back here, I had tons of dust and dirt, and I just had to scrub it all clean. Went ahead and cleaned down here as well, making sure I get everything. Behind the chair, you can see these little hooks had a bunch of dirt from driving with the top down over the years. Cleaned in between all those areas as well. Carpet look okay. It's a little discolored, so I'm gonna have to do another video taking this carpet out and just cleaning it real nice, scrub it real clean. Really in love with the red interior and the black tones. You see the door panel. It's really nice and clean. Dashboard looks pretty decent. No nicks or scratches or whatever. Center console is clean. I took this all apart. Took out the cup holder, took out the buttons and everything, and scrubbed it real nice with the cleaner because the previous owner spilled coffee or something in there. I even went ahead and cleaned the center part of the frame. The only thing bad here is this part. See, it started peeling. There's like a vinyl of some sort, or I guess the layer of plastic coating to make it chrome. I cleaned it off with acetone, and it looks really nice. I really like this nickel finish, but the problem is right here, it's damaged. So I'm just gonna deal with it for now, but I eventually gonna vinyl wrap that. You know how I am with vinyl wrap. The rest of the car looks clean. Put my insignia right there. For the outside, you can see this trim is super faded. That's something else I'm gonna have to work on, but like right now I don't know for sure what I want to do. I could polish it out, but I think I'm just gonna take it off and rewrap it in gloss black because it's supposed to look shiny like this, but it's not. Also, I went ahead and cleaned the inside here. You can see it's really nice. Cleaned it all the way down. If I show you guys the other side, it's really nasty and goopy. The difference between the two, this is really clean and this is really dirty. So I was gonna save that for another video. So we'll see how that goes. One thing I wanted to clean was the back of the dashboard area. I know that little yellow looking color thing is probably underneath the vinyl on top from the dashboard, but you can see inside the vents right here, it's really gross. I'm just very anal about that. I want to clean that up. Maybe I'll decide to take the dashboard out one day and just scrub it up real nice, because I'm not sure if I can get a detail brush back there to clean that up and dry it properly, because I don't want any moisture getting trapped. Steering wheel is looking really nice and clean after we clean it up with the all-purpose cleaner and condition it with the leather cleaner. Another thing I want to talk about is the soft top I'm having problems with. The little metal rail that goes here, that's a problem. It gets stuck and whatever, so every time I put the top down, I have to bang it when it's halfway down, and then when I close it all the way, it'll sit like this, which is what you want it to do. But if you don't, this whole entire piece kind of sticks up to like right here, which is not right. So from what I know, the only way to actually fix that is to get these little like elastic straps. I'm gonna do that in another project. It's not really bothering me too much. But another thing that really does bother me, that I'm a little bit worried about, is right here. As you can see a little bit, that little metal shiny part, it's like scraped off, almost like someone forced the soft top off. I want to assume that somebody from the previous owner dropped the top without releasing the latch and it just forced it off. So I want to replace this because I don't want to drive on the highway and just that millimeter gouge, that can make the big difference on either the soft top stays or not. I'm sure you can see right here the little hook. It looks okay, but there's like a little notch on the side. I'm a little concerned for the most part, and that needs to be addressed if I can figure out what part number that is or whatever. I also want to change my shift knob because this one is super ugly and worn out. So that's another thing I want to buy. I have to actually fix the headlights right here. The car's gonna need a full paint correction, but this is what I really want to fix. It looks like ass, but I can't get to that without taking the bumper off or using a very small detail polisher. So I don't know what I want to do yet. I might just leave it and then borrow my friend's mini Rupes polisher and get that knocked out. Also, the paint needs some work, even though you can't really tell, but it's hard to tell. But I polished up this section right here and it looks really nice and smooth, and the rest of the car is just filled with fine scratches. If I wanted to make it perfect, I gotta wet sand it and then correct it, but I think I'm just gonna correct it for the time being. So yeah, just a quick update on the S2000. There's a lot of little things that I want to clean up and fix before I do anything to this car. I drive it once in a while, to be honest with you, just because it's a 4-cylinder and it saves gas, and it's really fun to drive. It's just the little things I want to touch up and fix, and that's the whole point of this whole entire build. Just so you guys can see all the stuff that I've done to the car to properly restore it back to like new condition for the most part. And it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good summer project. But yes, S2000 is a great car. My Rose Gold ISF is also a really great car, which eats a lot of gas, but it's super fast. So you can watch all the videos on this car in my channel from the past year, because I've had the car wrapped for over a year now. But eventually this will probably come off, and you probably see the video of this vinyl getting taken off before you see the S2000. I'm unsure when I want to release the videos, but we shall see. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick update on what's going on and what I plan to do. Like I said, if you want to see more on the S2000 build, please subscribe. Hit the like button on all the videos. It really helps me out a lot. And hopefully we can generate way more videos for this channel. Cross between the Lexus and the Honda. It's probably a good combination. And like I said, I have videos of the F on my channel from previous months and years. And now I have videos of the S. That's the future of this channel. So it's a great feeling to be owner of both cars. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and see you later.